Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to share your experience with our training session on Bubble. We are thrilled to hear that you found it effective and that the hands-on approach resonated with you. Our goal is to always make learning. Did you know, on average, a business spends thousands of dollars on getting the copy for their ads, marketing, and landing pages, and still a lot of copy ends up sounding like generic or rust. Welcome to day 172 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today we are diving into CopyGenius, an AI-powered copywriting tool that lets you create content based on what is that you're looking for. It could be ads, it could be e-commerce stores, product descriptions, or much more. If you have ever struggled to come up with perfect headlines or product pitch, then this might be the tool that you are looking for. Let's check it out. So head over to copygenius.io, click on sign up, sign in with Google, select your account and click on continue. And then we have 500 credits remaining, which is generous, right? You have popular templates like product description, Facebook ad copy, blog outline, video guides, right? And then you have all the templates like about us, article writer, blog conclusion. You have blog introduction, blog outline, blog section, call to action, so many more like we mentioned at the beginning, right? So you can also go to templates and then you can select the goal, that is whether you want creative product titles or customer persona or customer review response, product benefit, product description, and so on, so forth. Right? It could also be for ads, it could be for website, it could be for writing like article writer, blog conclusion, blog introduction, blog outline. It could be email, catchy email subject or write an email. It could be socials like hashtag generator, profile bio, Quora answers. It could be others like command me, songwriter, and so on and so forth. You can select what it is for. Okay, let's say a customer review response. Right, and here is what we have to add. What is a customer review? Let's go to with 7 automations, Google reviews. Yeah, here you go. Go to reviews, and let's say this one, right? The trainer session provided by 7 automations on Bubble was conducted in a very effective, whatever it is. So I'll copy paste, and then it has advanced settings. We can go through it. Neutral or output language and so on and so forth. You can choose the tone that you want. Let's go with neutral, right, or friendly. Output language, you can choose whether you want 1 output, 2, 3, or whatever it is. Right for me. It can give us 3 outputs which we can choose from, right? Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to share your experience with our training session on Bubble. We are thrilled to hear that you found it effective and that the hands-on approach resonated with you. Our goal is to always make learning engaging and practical, so your feedback means a lot to us. If you have any further questions or need assistance, as you continue to explore the platform, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy learning, right? Likewise, we have 2 more. We can see which one resonates more with our emotions and use it, right? Let's go back to dashboard and let's try something else. Product description, product FAQ, let's say Facebook ad copy, right? And we can give the product name. Let's say 3-hour workshop on no code automation. We can add key features like automate your daily task without writing a single code, right? And again, 3 output, 2 output, whatever it is. Let's go with 2 this time, right for me. And there you go. Unlock the power of automation without coding. Are you tired of repetitive tasks stealing your valuable time? Say goodbye to manual work and hello to efficiency with our 3-hour no-code automation workshop. Detailed this thing. You have the second copy as well. Use whatever you like or generate more by giving more details in the prompt. Of course, you can copy, you can make it as favorite, you can translate this, you can edit this, so much more. And that's how simple it is to generate copies using CopyGenius. If you are a solo business owner or you are a copywriter yourself and need a little bit of assistance, then CopyGenius is for you. From product description to ads to hashtags, it can do everything for you. Of course, this could just be a starting point and you can write your own based on the content that is already generated. Or maybe you write your copy and then allow AI to enhance it. Either way, so go ahead and give CopyGenius a try. And as always, if you find it helpful, share it with a friend who is looking for it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.